This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ruby, Connecticut. Very pretty home. Light and bright. Engineered HDWD flooring throughout most of first floor. 9 ceilings first floor, French doors to LVR/office. Big dining room opens to big family/kitchen. Corner gas FPL. Sliding doors to deck, updated west/wrought iron spindles. Kitchen has huge 7+ white center island west/tons of extra storage cabinets, drawers, bookshelves, overhang for stools, quartz countertop that complements the existing quartz countertops. Pantry closet. Brand new pendant lights over island. Alcove with built-in coat rack. Finished garage with painted floor, electric door opener, workbench, and built-in shelving. Big loft/bonus room at top of steps. Multi-purpose room could be used as office/gym/playroom/guest bedroom. Big master bedroom west/tray ceiling. One of 2 walk-in closets in the bedroom. Big bath with soaking tub and separate shower. Block window over the tub. Second walk-in closet, huge, really addressing a room.